In this session, we are going to learn about 2x1 mux. Mux is multiplexer. Here, we are going to select the input lines using a selection bit. Okay. Okay, where the mux is used, there is a multiplexer is used. Where the number of inputs are there, we have to select one from them. There, the multiplexer is very useful. Okay, nothing but selection of something. Where the choice is there we can go with the multiplexer. Okay, here 2x1 multiplexer is nothing but we are having two input lines. From two input lines we are going to select one as a output. That is nothing but we are connecting one of the input line to the output. Okay, that two lines will be selected by the mux using selection line. Okay, totally a mux has a three input lines. One is selection bit and another two are the inputs. Depending upon the selection line, the output will be selected. Output line will be selected. Okay, this is the circuitry for multiplexer. We know that these two are the logical gates, NAND and this is a NOT gate. Okay, a selection line is given for both the inputs. One is for first line, this is the selection line 1 and this is the selection line 1 for both the inputs. This is for B input and this is for A input. Okay, if selection line is low, then A is selected for output. If selection line is high, then B is selected and output will be connected with the B. Okay, now how this is going on we will see with an explanation. Here I am selecting first selection line A, that is first input. I am selecting first input. See, here it is low, so I am connected a NOT gate here. Then the selection line, this line is selected. Okay, here is the output is low, so the output of the mux is low. As a input A is selected from by the selection line, whatever the input of A will be the output of the mux. Okay, we will check how the output is connected with the input. Now we know that operation of NAND gate and AND gate. Okay, this is the selection line input and this is the input from the input of the mux. Selection line is high, input line is low. As high and low input for a NAND is, output will be the high. That is fed to the P-type transistor. PMOS transistor, and a selection line is connected to the AND gate and NOT of the input is given to the AND gate. Then the output of AND gate is high as both the inputs are high. Okay, first NAND gate output is connected to PMOS and AND gate output is connected to NMOS. As high logic is given to PMOS, then it will be in open circuitry, so there will be no flow of current from the PMOS transistor. As there is no flow of current from PMOS transistor, there will be low voltage here. And as the high signal is connected to NMOS transistor, NMOS will be deactivated when a high signal input is given. So there will be open circuitry between the across the NMOS transistor. As these two transistors are open, there is a no flow of current through the line, so the output is low here. If the input is high, the output of NAND gate is low. As the output of NAND gate is low, the input for the PMOS transistor is low, so the transistor will be acts as a closed switch. So this voltage will be flow through the transistor, and the output of AND gate is low, so the NMOS transistor is also closed. As a result, we will get a high output from the mux. Okay, now we will check how the selection line B will be selected. When the selection line is high, the input B is selected for the output of the mux. Same operation similar to the input A. If the output is low, the input of the B is low, then the output of the mux is low. If the input B is high, the output will be high, just similar to the input A. This is the functionality of 2x1 mux. Mux is generally selecting the one of the inputs from the selection line by using selection line. Nothing but choosing one input by using a selection line. This is about mux. Thank you.